Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name's Tiffany. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new Marc Jacobs leather tote in the colour cement. So if you are interested, then keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my Instagram so you can see more from me. And without further ado, let's dive right in. Okay, so this is how it comes in the box. I have literally just got the scissors across this and across the sides here, and here it is. I'm kind of surprised it didn't come in like the Marc Jacobs box, as what I've seen online is that it came in like the box black with the Marc Jacobs on there. This is just like a normal standard shipping box. Here is the bag in the packaging. I'm going to move this box out of the way, and this must be like the receipt and shipping information. Again, it's not coming like an envelope or anything, which is what I've seen on other people's orders, but hey ho. Let me just get my assistant out of the way. Alrighty, here it is in the packaging. Just gonna take it out of the bag here. And the tissue paper slid right off there as well. Here she is. Okay, the colour is stunning. Let's get some of this excess packaging off. Tag is on here. Trying to avoid going anywhere near this with scissors since the leather is so soft. Dust bag inside. Which is nice and spacious. I'll leave that at the side for now. Lots of stuffing to help keep it shape. Other end of the zip. And you can actually feel the solid magnet in this one, the disc, where that can clip onto there nicely. And I love that it's gold hardware. Okay, shoulder strap. I had a feeling throwing that was going to attract him. Sorry, that's not a toy, sweetie. Let's see the inside. So you've got the Marc Jacobs card here, which 100% cow leather. In a moment, and yes, natural tan leather, just a care card, regular things. Keep that aside for now. Back to the interior. So we've got one solid pocket here, no zipper pocket, and then this patch here isn't stitched all the way down, because on the largest one that I've got, this patch here is stitched all the way down, but here you can slot a card or something inside, and just one big slip pocket across here. One more sheet of, this is actually quite hard cardboard, again helps keep the shape, and some more on the other side here as well. Extra protection on the hardware. Which is absolutely stunning. It's ever so slightly bigger than I imagined. Even though I have seen it in store, it's still just bigger actually having it like in my hands in the house. Let's get the shoulder strap out. I'll grab some scissors just to take this part off. Do not want to scratch this at all. I knew he was going to come for that. I really do love all this excess packaging. It just makes it feel like brand new and secure, and that it's not been used at all. Trying to get this last bit under here is a little bit tough. That was surprisingly hard to take off, but I eventually got that off of here. The hardware is a nice shiny gold, and on here as well it says, let me put that around. On the other side it says the Marc Jacobs on there. We'll place that there. So here is the bag. I'm going to quickly see. I mean, I can already see most of my everyday things will fit in here. I'm quite curious if my iPad would fit in here. This is the iPad Pro 11-inch. Ooh, not easily, but it does get in there, but that is good to know. So it does just squeeze in there nicely. Good to know. So here she is. I'm absolutely in love with this bag. I've been needing like an everyday tote bag for a while. I have good black bags and good brown bags, but I needed an everyday colour that I can work with. With the cement colour, I decided to go with this because I felt like I could wear it with black, like I could wear it with this outfit that I'm wearing now, or I can wear it with brown things as well, and it doesn't clash too much. When I wanted this bag, every review I watched, every video, everything was always in the argan oil colour, and I had my heart set on the argan oil one, but I went into store one day and I saw this cement coloured one with argan oil. I don't know what it is, but in the UK, all the stores I've been to, nobody has the argan oil one in person, but cement I was able to see in person, and I absolutely fell in love with this colour. As much as I love the argan oil, I feel like I can't get as much use out of that because with my wardrobe and the colours I lean towards, argan oil isn't a good everyday colour for me. I'm really hoping to invest in that in the future, but right now what I needed was an everyday bag, so what I've gone with is cement, and I feel like with the kind of shoes and things that I wear and everyday outfits, this is a colour that goes well and complements my sort of everyday clothes and things that I wear. But before we get into the details, I need a little bit of help. There is a tiny scuff on the bag, and I don't know whether I should just return it and get a new one or just keep this bag. So I'll insert a clip and show you. It is minute, it is ever so tiny. It's the tiniest little scratch on the top of the bag and the leather is flaked a bit. And I'm the kind of person who, where I buy anything designer, I want it to be absolutely perfect. Because it's not like this was like a 10 pound bag from Primark. This was £385 here in the UK. On the tag it does say $375, but yeah, it cost £385. But at the same time, the scuff is so minute. I don't know if I'm just being petty, so please let me know. Do you think I'm being petty? Should I just keep it? Am I being annoying? Or am I right in the sense that it should be absolutely 100,000,000% perfect and get a new one? It's just the process I know is going to be quite long. When I ordered this, it was from the Marc Jacobs UK website, and it said it was going to take 4 days to come, which it did actually, 4 working days, because yeah, with New Year's and everything like that, a lot of bank holidays, but technically it did come in 4 working days. But yeah, the bag came from like New York. I was looking at the tracking and I was like, we started off in New York, so I had to inquire to make sure I wasn't getting any like duties or taxes or anything like that, because you know how those bills come with all the import fees and stuff. But they said no, all the duties and everything are included. But yeah, please let me know if you think I'm being petty or if I'm well within my rights to return it, because it wasn't me that scuffed it. I noticed it like straight away because as soon as I unbox, first thing I do is inspect everything, and yeah, I could see that little scuff mark. I thought, where do we go from here? But yes, other than that, the bag itself is absolutely perfect, and I love the cement colour. I haven't seen any other reviews of this colour online, so if you are looking at this questioning whether you should get this colour, I do think it is a really good everyday bag colour. A lot of the other colours that the bag does come in are quite specific and bold, and unless you're going for black was what I was really deciding against, because the black one is absolutely stunning, as is the argan oil one. But yeah, I wanted something just slightly different, and yeah, this I think was a home run for me. I absolutely adore the bag. Some details about it, I will put a screenshot on the screen so you can see the height. It does show on the website in inches and centimeters, so you can see the exact details, and you can take a screenshot here as well if you want to have that for your reference. And yeah, as it stands, the bag comes in this colour cement, a beautiful rose dust, which is a blushy pink colour. I saw that in person, it was absolutely stunning. The orchid haze, which is a lovely lavender purple sort of colour. Black, which is a brilliant, just everyday go-to bag. It took me a really hard time to decide between that and black. There's twine, which is a really nice cream colour. Argan oil, which is beautiful. And then red. I saw true red. Somebody got that for Christmas online. I was like literally drooling over it. It looked beautiful. But yes, with the bag, as you can see the details, it has the tote bag and Marc Jacobs debossed in here. It is very clean and very smooth, and on the back as well it has that done on the patch. The actual like details of the bag, I quite like I love a chunky logo. But my mum, when she was looking at this, she was like, why is it just the tote bag so just bold across there? But if you don't like it, I feel like you can just turn it around and wear it like that. That's more like the minimal side, but personally I quite like the look of this. As you can see, my iPad did just about fit in there, but I feel like for me, for everyday bag sort of size, this is perfect. Because I now have the larger one as well, I do have a bigger bag for if I have a day where I need to throw loads of things in, and now I have mini for my everyday bag size. I'm 100% gonna get the small one as well, because there's just so many cute styles it comes in now. I'll put some screenshots and show you. Just as I was editing my last video unboxing the regular large size one, they've got some new styles out of the tote bags. So I feel like for the small one, I'm definitely leaning towards this pattern more. I think it's absolutely stunning. So I will be getting that very soon. But yes, I am going to do a proper review of the bag as well. I feel like I have to give it some wear and tear and give it at least a month of using it regularly and see how it feels. I mean, my only issue with the bag at the moment so far is where this tag and this hook and the shoulder strap, because with the larger one it doesn't come with the shoulder strap, so I didn't have this part here. But here, there's a bit of commotion. I'm going to look at other people's videos because maybe I'm just overthinking it, but where the strap is here is the same place of where this would go to clip on, so it sort of gets in the way. So if I clip this on here and it's stuck with the magnet, this now gets pushed to the side, if that makes sense. Or do I put it through like this but then I can't zip it? It is a bit complicated, but I don't know if I'm making it complicated or if it's just not been thought out that well. But where this is, it's literally in line with this. I feel like I have to pull this to the side. They should just put it maybe slightly on the side instead, that way this can sit there nicely. If you can see what I'm talking about. But if not, I will go into a bit more depth about this when I review the bag. But this strap here sort of gets in the way of this thingy, so I have to tuck this inside, which then defeats the purpose of having a magnet there. So yeah, it's a bit confusing. I will show you some clips of that differently than me holding it too, so you can see a bit more what I mean. But other than that, I absolutely love the bag. I don't feel the need to get an organizer for this bag because it is quite small enough and it is quite sturdy enough as well. It's completely sits up perfectly by itself fine and keeps its shape. It doesn't move around, and the pebbled leather is absolutely stunning. I wasn't too worried about getting it scuffed or anything like that until I've seen the little mark that's already on there, and now I'm a bit concerned that would that happen more than I realised. Since it's scuffed already, is that going to be like a regular thing that's going to happen to it. It doesn't have any feet on the bottom. I know a lot of people aren't happy about that, but again, I think there's nowhere that I can imagine putting it that it would get scratched up anyway. I'm not going to put it on concrete ground on the floor or like pebbles. It would just most likely always be on my arm like so. So I'm not really worried about it not having feet, but yeah, we'll have to see. And yeah, the tag I'm not taking off yet because I'm still debating about this little scuff mark on here as to whether it's an issue for me or whether I'm just being a bit petty. But yeah, overall I'm in love with this bag, and I will do a review next month or so once I can actually give some wear and tear and some details, but I'll show you some mod shots as well of how the bag fits on me. Everything from me. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can see more from me, and check out the review for this coming soon as well. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.